Hello, how are you doing today? Today we want to talk about how you can create graphics on Canva. You know that we have already been using Canva recently, and I told you that if you don't know how to play your way around Canva, you may be having problem as a content creator because you need graphics when you want to create content online. You need to create graphics for your contents online. And if you don't know how to create graphics, you may be having problem because you will need to be spending money and giving the job to people to help you to do. And you don't want to do that, okay? As a new business, you need to know how you can save money. Let me go to Canva. So on Canva, there are thousands of templates that you can just pick up and turn it around to what you think is for you. Okay, you don't need to build from scratch over here. Canva already have some templates that you can use. You can also build from scratch if you want, like the way we did for our highlights cover and different things like that. But over here, I just want to show you how you can use templates to create graphics. Okay, so let me say you want to create a graphic for your page, maybe for your Facebook page, and let's say you are selling kitchen utensils, right? So you know that if you want to create a graphic that is related to kitchen utensils, you should already have a picture of the products on ground. Okay, and over here you should also have some sense of color mixing. Okay, don't just come here, take a template, just write on it and just go and use it. Know how you can change your colors, okay, and know the type of color you can mix with which color. Don't go and put purple and brown together. Don't go and put black and red on a banner. So you don't want to do that. If you are afraid of how you can use colors, or you don't know how to even go about color mixing, you can use a website called colorhunt.co. On the website, you'll be able to see different colors that goes together. Okay, different colors that goes together. So let's jump into how you can create a graphic. So let's say I want to create, let's use flyer as an example. So I will go to this search bar, then I will search for flyer. So you can just type in flyer. You can see different ones: event flyers, business flyers, food flyers. So I'll be clicking on business flyer for now. Okay, so it would automatically take us to where we can get different flyer styles. Okay, so I'll scroll down and pick a free one because they have pro version of Canva. It's not a must you put 3,000 naira every month into Canva. It's not a must. They have free things, free templates that you can use. Anyone you don't see pro on, you can see pro on this one now. This one does not have pro. Okay, so anyone you don't see pro like this on, you can simply pick and use it. So I will look for a simple flyer. Let me look for a simple flyer. So let's use this one as our flyer now. Let's use it as the flyer. You already know that this flyer, as you're seeing it now, you can pick it to edit one by one. Okay, all this we are digital marketing agency that you are seeing over here. You can just click on it and edit the words, okay, to your own, and you can change the colors. Okay, so let me see, let's click on this one, and you have seen that it has two colors, right? So I'll mix the colors now. You can see that it is gradient. This image, this one that I'm dragging over here, so let's take it back to the corner that it was before. So I dragged it so that you'll be able to see it. Then it has color black and color red. Anything you want to edit, just place your finger on it. Okay, right now we've selected this one. I want to change the color. I'll change this black color to this deep. Let me try to do that, this blue. So it's saying change all. Does that mean you want to change all colors that comes in black to blue? If that is what you want to do, you can click on change all. The next one is this red color, red or pink color. Click on it. Then you can select another color that you can mix with it. I mixed it with the blue. I think it's nice enough. It's nice. So I'm okay with that one. I've changed both gradient colors. The next one is here. I want to change this black color again. So instead of me to be cracking my brain over the color I want to use, I can just go to my browser and I'll search for the colorhunt.co. So right now I'll just search for colorhunt.co. So this is the website. Then I'll scroll down. All you can do here is to just get a color that you like, and with that color you'll be able to see other colors that you can use with it. And as you can see here, you can see that we can use this blue, and we can use the next blue, the next brown, then the next light brown. Over here you can see that we can use this color, we can use this one, and so all these colors that are inside each boxes can be used. So if you click on each of them, you will be able to see, you can see the X value of them. E1 FFB1, these two you can see the X value, these two you can see the X value. So once you click on it like this, any of the color that you want, just place your finger on it. Once you place your finger on it, just place on your finger on that code that it will give you. Click, just put it on it. You can see as I'm putting my finger on it, it's saying copied. Okay, then you go back to your Canva app. So let's say I want to change the color of this background, this one. So I've selected the one I want to change, then I will select the color. Then I will come to this plus sign over here. Then up here you can see 0000. Instead of it to be 00, that's X value that I copied recently, I will paste it here. You can see that it has changed the color for me, and that is the color of the X value we got from here. And you can also go for other colors. It's not bad. Just click on it, it will bring the code, then click on the code, it will copy. Once it copies, just come to your work that you are doing on Canva, put your finger on whichever one you want to change the color, click on color, then click on the plus sign again, then click on this this X value that you can see up here, then it will highlight everything, then you can paste your own over there, and you can see that the color has changed to the color of X value that we got. So that is just how to use color hunt to change your colors. So let's say this image now, let's say we want to remove this image and we want to put another image. So I can just click on this image, I'll put my finger on it for like 3 seconds, and down here you can see it's brought copy, paste, select multiple. So I want to remove the image, so I will scroll to the side to say detach image. So I will click on this detach image, and you can see that it has detached the image from the background. Right now that it has detached the image from the background, I can just click on this plus sign. Once I click on that plus sign, then I'll go and search for my own image, myself's image. For me to search for myself's image, I'll click on this camera roll to go to my phone, or I'll click on the uploads. That is if I have uploaded any picture before, but according to me, I'll prefer the uploads because I have some other pictures that I have uploaded before. So I'll be using this image for example. Then this image, as you can see here, I can remove the background. So if I want to remove the image's background, I'll just click on this effect, then I can just click on this BG remover. Although the BG remover is for those people that has Canva Pro version. Okay, so I'm not using Canva Pro version right now, but you can change your background if you have if you are using Canva Pro version. Okay, so right now I'll just drag my image to this place. You can see that it has fixed it in, or I can just detach the image and reduce the size of the image. I'll just reduce the size of the image, then I'll put the image in there. I'll put my finger on the image, then I'll drag it in, and you can see it here. anyway, that's it. But the best is to get a picture that can fit in Okay, it's better for a picture to be large, very large. Okay, the image I got is too small, so it's better for the image to be very large so that it will be able to fit in. So if I like, I can just detach the image and delete this image. Then I'll put back the image that was there, because we are trying to advertise over here, not my face but a product. If you need an element, maybe you need that that frame that we put our image inside, you can click on this plus sign, then you'll be able to see elements. Click on elements, then you can search for frame. You can see frame over here. You can see arrow, line, circle, square, but you can see frame. Click on frame, then you can see different frames that you can use. If I use this one, if I click on this circle frame now, I put it on one side, I detach this image, I detach the image, I put the image too on one side, I delete this frame that was there before. If I delete the frame that was there before, then I use this circle, I put it over here. Okay, let me increase it. If I use this circle, if I place this circle over here, so as you can see that the circle is above the digital agency picture. So if I want to do it, I'll just click on the circle, then I will scroll to this side. I will see position. I can click on position. Because it is the circle we are working on, don't forget that I highlighted the circle before I selected the position I want to place the circle. So this is the position now. Then I want to say backward. So you can see that immediately I clicked on backward, it went to the back. Okay, so if you keep saying backward, it will go to the back of all the background, and you don't want that. So backward like this is okay. Then this image, let me close this position, then I'll go to the image, I will increase the size of the image, then I'll place it over here. I will make sure I'm dragging the image so that it will fit into how I want it to be placed. Okay, then that's it. So this is our image now, and we placed it inside a frame. This is how I design it now. And also, once you click on the marketing or whichever word you want to change, you can click on the fonts and change the font style. You'll see hundreds of free fonts that you can use. So all these ones are not free. These ones that has crown in front of them, they are not free. These ones are free. These ones are free. These ones are free. This one is not free. So you can change the font. Okay, you can change the font, and you can change the font size. If you click on this font size, you'll be able to change it. You can see that as I'm doing it, I'm changing it. So I think we have talked about all this before, but even at that, you may not know that you can use templates on Canva. It's not a must for you to crack your brain over what will I write, how will I create this flyer. So that is one for flyer. Then the next one, now I will go back home. I will now come back to this search bar, and I can search for Facebook advertisements cover. Okay, just say Facebook ads. It will bring you different ones. You see, Facebook video ad, Facebook ad campaign, Facebook advertisement. Let me use this Facebook ad campaign. Click on it. So it will bring you different templates of Facebook flyers that you can use to advertise. Okay, and you can edit any of them to whatever you want, like the way we did right now. So if you are selling groceries, you can use this one. Click on this one. So you can see now this one is meant for Facebook advertisement, and it's a flyer for Facebook advertisement. So you can see grocery store. You can just write your name instead of you to say grocery store. Just click over here and click on this edit, then start typing the name of your business. Okay, then over here, click on it, click on edit, type the one, and change the color. If you want, you can change the color. Okay, but grocery stores are meant for grains, right? And the green color is okay for them. You can do it. You can also come to this corner, this thing that you see over here that they put at this corner, you can remove it, or you can add something to it, or you can change it, you know. You can, this one at this corner, you can just bring it out and put everything, or you can still stick it to the corner, or you can increase, it, you can decrease it. Whichever way you think you want to style the template you get from Canva is okay. But the wrong way is that you should now just pick a picture and just go and use it. No, make sure you edit it to what you want. So this is Canva over here, and you can use Canva to create different graphics. You can also use it to create letterhead for your business. You can use it to create cards for your business. So anything you are looking for is already on Canva. Okay, so you don't need to create graphics from scratch as long as you are using Canva. This will be the end of our lecture for today, and we will meet next time. Have a nice day.